Hello students, in this video I am going to explain you question number 15 from exercise 12.3. So the question is in figure 12.33. So this is a figure. ABC is a quadrant. So ABC, so quadrant means don't take this triangle. So this curved portion BC, AC and this AB. This will form the quadrant. So ABC is a quadrant of circle of radius 14 centimeter. So as we know this is a quadrant. So this arc and these two will represent the radii. So with radius 14, so AB is 14 and AC is 14. And semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. So one semicircle is drawn here. Above this quadrant or above this arc, one semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. So here this common side of this triangle BC, this act as side of triangle and even the diameter of semicircle. So find the area of shaded region. So we need to find out the area of this shaded region. So first of all, we will write down the given things. So ABC is a quadrant, it is given, and radius is 14 centimeter. Quadrant of a circle with radius 14 centimeter, and BC is the diameter of the shaded portion. Find the area of shaded region. So here I have drawn the figure. So we'll continue with this. So it is given that radius of quadrant ABC. So when it is said ABC, take AC, BC and this BC full. So this full, this is a part of circle and its radius is given 14 centimeter. It means what? When we have the quadrant, so here the radii will be the perpendicular and the angle will be here 90. Remember? So quadrant meaning you should know to solve this question. This is 14, this is 14 centimeter. And BC, it is given that a semicircle is drawn with BC as a diameter. So BC is a diameter of semicircle. So if you write the given things, it will be very easy to solve the question. So you need to find out the shaded portion area. But we don't have the formula for this kind of figure. So what we can do here? From this semicircle area, so semicircle, let us name the, here I'll name as P here, so that it will be easy to name the semicircle BPC. So I'll name this as P here. So in the semicircle BPC, we don't want this area. We have to remove this area, isn't it? Then we'll get the shaded portion area. So what we have to do here? We don't, this is a segment, isn't it? Either you can find out the area of segment, otherwise what you can do here, this is a quadrant, isn't it? You find the quadrant area, and from quadrant area you need to find out this segment area. So to find out the segment, we need to find out the sector area. Sector is nothing but the quadrant. So find the sector area, the sector ABC, this area we find out, and subtract the area of triangle. So that you will get the segment area. So that segment I'll name as 1. So this figure I'll name as 1. So from this sector, full sector area, subtract the area of triangle, so that the segment area will get. Then the segment, it is a part of semicircle BPC, isn't it? So from the BPC area, find BPC area, in that subtract this segment area first. So this is a segment first. I'll name this as, you can name anything, so that you will get the required this blue colored portion area. So first of all, find the area of triangle, then we'll go for finding the area of this sector, then we'll find out the area of this first part, then the area, required area, we will find out. So let us start here. So area of triangle BAC we'll find out. So I'll name this as 1, 2, 3. So area BAC, as it is right angle triangle, you can see, and we have here these two will be what? Base and the perpendiculars, or the base and height. So area of triangle BAC, which is right angle triangle. Why? Because the center angle is 90 as it is quadrant. So half base into height. So half base is here, you can take AC as base and this AB as height. Anyhow you can take AB as base. So AC is 14 into this is 14. So final get as 2 1s are 2 7s are, then 14 7s are, will get as 98 centimeter square. So this one part is over. Now the second part, we'll find out the area of sector. So area of this sector or the quadrant we'll find out. So area of quadrant that is quadrant is nothing but sector. So sector formula you have to apply into theta upon 360 degree. So theta here it is sector angle or central angle. Pi will take as 22/7 into r. So radius of quadrant. Radius quadrant is 14. Then square is 14 into 14 into theta is 90. 90 upon 360 degree. So here 7 1s are 7 2s are 22 into 2, and here we can cancel this. 9 1s are 9 4s are, then here 14 1s are 14 divided by 4. So here 2 1s are 2 2s are, then 2 1s are 2 11s are. So here 11 into 14, that is 154. You will get 154 centimeter square. This is the area of quadrant. Now we have to find out the area of this portion 1. So name marked as 1. Why? Because from this semicircle area we have to subtract this segment area. So we'll find out the area of the segment 1. So area of segment that I mark as first equals to area of sector or the quadrant minus area of triangle BAC, or you can take ABC. Area of quadrant or sector we got 154 minus area of triangle we got 98. So the finally area of segment 1, that is 56 centimeter square. Now we got this area. So from this semicircle area, so semicircle is BPC. So we will find out the area of semicircle BPC. So third part is over. Now the fourth part, area of semicircle of diameter. We have to find out this BC. So we need to find out this. So the formula of finding the area of semicircle is pi r square divided by 2. Isn't it? Pi square, it is a area of circle. Semicircle is half of that. Then we have to find out the radius. So here BC will be our diameter and we need to find out the radius. So to find out the radius, you can see this is right angle triangle. So we know these two sides, so we can find out the BC here. So we'll find out BC. So in triangle ABC, or you can take BAC, this is right angle triangle, isn't it? So BC square, BC is hypotenuse, BC square equals to AB square plus AC square. AB square plus AC square, and AB and AC are the AB and AC you can know, you know that is 14 and 14. So BC square equals to 14 square plus 14 square. So BC square, 14 square is 196 plus 196, add them, BC square equals to, so 196 plus 196 you will get 392. So we'll do the prime factoration of 392. So here 2 1s are carry 1, 2 9s are 18 carry 1, 2 6 are, then 0, 2 9s are 18, then here 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 7 7s are 7 1s are. So we can write this 392 as root. So BC we want, so square root we will bring this side. So this is 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. So we'll make here pairs, 2 square into 7 square, and this will be unpaired. So this square and square roots get cancelled. So BC will get as 2 into 7 into root 2. So BC is equals to 14 into root 2. So BC is your diameter. We need to find out its radius. So radius of semicircle I have named as BCP or BPC. So diameter is 14 root 2 divided by 2 centimeter. So that is 2 ones are 2 sevens are 7 root 2 centimeter. So once you get the radius here, you can find out its area. So area of semicircle BCP, that is equals to pi r square divided by 2. So pi, it is given 22 by 7. So take pi as 22 by 7. Then here I'll take this 1 by 2 here into pi. So this 2 I'll take as 1 by 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r is 7 root 2 into 7 root 2 square it is. So 2 and 2 11s are, so 11 by 7 and 7 get cancelled. So 1 1 we got. So into here down we'll got get the denominator as 1. So we'll not write the denominator. So 11 into 7 7 get cancels. So root 2 into root 2 is just 2 into 7. So multiply these all. 11 2 are 22, 22 7s are is 154 centimeter square. So this is the area of the semicircle that we have taken. So from the semicircle area, remove the area of this segment, that is part 1. So we have the area part 1, that is 56, that we will remove. So therefore area of shaded portion equals to area of semicircle BCP minus area of segment 1. So 154 minus segment 1 area is 96. 154 minus, sorry, it is 56. So 154 minus 56 will get 98 centimeter square. So now it takes nearly to explain 10 minutes, but when you have the enough practice, calculation will be very easy and it will be very fast, so that you can solve this answer in 7 minutes.